Yummy! Look at all I've cooked up!
Time to play Hungry Robot! Power on. Delicious target detected. Go get it! Executing command.
Ah!
Uh-oh. Error detected.
Oh no! That's it! You're coming with me!
Cool!
Let's see who cooks better.
I'm in! Challenge accepted. Make a cake challenge.
First, let Grandma show you how it's done. Take a couple of eggs and add some milk. Oh yes, perfect! Now whisk well and into the pan it goes. First pancake's ready. Cover it with green chantilly. Just like that. Now top it with another pancake. And cover it with pink. Add a few more colored layers and decorate with sweet sprinkles. Rainbow cake ready. Superb! Your turn.
Okay. But what to cover the cake with? Oh, got it! This should work.
I told you! Stop hiding food on my back!
Okay. Now let's make the cake chocolatey. Add whipped cream. And cover with another cake layer. Perfect! Time to even it out. Let's trim the top off just like this. And now for the main ingredient. Oh yeah! Cover it all nicely. And let's give the cake eyes. Now it's watching you. Can't leave it bald. Let's fix that. Insert pocky sticks like this. Perfect! Add a few teeth, and the cake is ready! Wow! Turned out great, right?
Sure. Oh my, what a cringe.
Commencing cooking process. Target set. Activating laser vision. Baking mode complete. Initiating filling addition. Perfect syrup for cakes selected. Applying now. Activating customization mode. Face and limbs installed. Emotional detail added. Task completed. Hooray!
Then let's start tasting!
Wow, it's so vibrant! Delicious! Initiating tasting. Deliciousness confirmed. Expressing admiration. Let's try this cake. Wow! This sweet heart is just yummy!
First time eating an eye. Not bad.
Hey, don't forget about my cake!
These sticks look good. Oh yes!
Detecting scary face. Initiating threat elimination. Wow, cool!
Why?
Cake should be tasty, not scary. Waffles challenge.
Alright, is everyone ready? We'll use these ingredients to make the batter and send it into the waffle iron. Close it and just wait. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, nice! Transfer to a plate. Add whipped cream, just like this. And finish by giving the waffles a strawberry flavor. Perfect! And there! Grandma's signature waffles are ready! Look how beautiful!
Looks amazing! I wanna try! Opportunity for improvement detected. Adding machine oil will be perfect. System approved. Initiating. Excessive quantity excluded. Oh my! How can you eat that? It is beneficial for my mechanisms. Delicious. I'll try this piece instead. Tasty!
I'm glad you like it.
Oh, there's still some batter left. I know what to do with it. Pour it into these molds. Just like this. Carefully. Close it and let it bake. Let's see. Hey! Why do they turn out as toys? Listen you. Work properly. There we go. Now let's pour a little blue syrup on the plate, like this. Place the fish next to it, and done. What do you think?
Grandma will try this fish. Not bad.
Analyzing dish. Cuteness confirmed. New recipe devised. Moving to demonstration. Activating water addition. Closing the waffle iron. According to calculations, should be ready. Transporting waffles to plate. Please. I'll try. Why are these waffles transparent? Wow! They just melt in the mouth.
Really? In that case, Grandma will use the glass. Perfect. Now let's take a few sips of these waffles. Tasty. Uh-oh. Almost lost my teeth.
You're funny. You must be a transformer.
I can do even more.
Jelly challenge. Cool! I love jelly, especially chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Brush your teeth, dear.
What? Again? All right. Oh, what's this? Wow! There was a gummy worm! Yum, yum!
Oh, stop!
Huh?
It's unhealthy.
Aww.
Don't worry, Grandma will make natural jelly. We'll take a watermelon and cut out the flesh. Perfect. Now add oranges. And more fruits just like this. And pour everything with soda. How cool is that? Let's set it aside to solidify.
Entertainment device detected. Adding remote control feature. What? How? Hey! Give it back! That's my phone! Though, I've got an idea. Oh yes! Let's take these gummy worms and now melt them. Just like this. And put the phone in there. Perfect! Wow! How cool! It's like a big sweet case! It's also my turn to start the task. Setting the mold and beginning to pour jelly. Pouring completed. Finishing by rounding the mold. Attaching sweet balls on sticks. Jelly galaxy imitation complete. Balls represent planets. Task accomplished. Try my dessert. Wow, looks fruity. Let's try. Tasty.
Really? Well, I might try this sweet planet. Oh yes, quite good.
Initiating phone release. Mission completed. Continuing play mode. What? Such a silly robot.
That was so much fun. You both did well.